I'm Aaron from Columbia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your box shoes. With the box shoe repair kit, you get 3 sets of box shoes. To repair one box, you only need 1 set, but you get 3 sets so you can repair multiple boxes if needed. For the box shoe repair, you need a pair of pliers and a flathead screwdriver. Start by removing your old box shoe. There's 2 flathead screws. Keep these screws. Clean off any mud or anything that may be interfering with putting the new box shoe on. Make sure the side plate's nice and clean and that your FFB8 backing plate is nice and clean. You can put the new box shoe on right away. Don't tighten these screws down yet though until we do the final setup. So just leave them loose for now. Repeat the same step on the other side. Remove your existing box shoe. Clean off anything that may be on there. Replace. Leave these ones loose as well. When setting the new box shoe, make sure that it's touching the brass bar and it's right pushed up against your flat box blade. If it's out like this, you're going to get mud streaks coming out. So you want it right up against the blade, so you don't get any edges when running the box. Tighten it down, but not overly tight, just enough to hold it in place. Repeat the same step on the other side. Just make sure it's up against the blade and flat against the side plate. Tighten it down, not overly tight. Now what we have to do is set the closure between your box shoe and your box skid here, this bottom plate that it sits against. You want to make sure that, you see how the brass bar right now is loose in between the two? What that's going to do is that's going to cause inconsistency where your mud comes out and touches the box shoe. If it moves up and down like this, you're not going to have a nice clean edge on your boxing. So we got to close that gap up in there. So what we're going to do is you're going to take a pair of pliers on an open setting and close the gap together. So close the skid and the shoe together. Once you've done that, do a final tighten on these 2 screws. Now you see your brass bar does not move. When it's all set, your blade should just be just above your box shoe tab right there. It should just click over, and your brass bar should be nice and tight in there with no movement. That way your mud will go up and it'll stop right at that shoe and you won't get an edge. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Take your pliers, close those pieces together, make sure there's no movement, tighten down. The box shoes shouldn't have to be changed that often if you maintain your blade properly and don't let it wear down to the point where you're actually running on the box shoes. They should last a long time. Thank you for watching today's repair video. For more instructional videos, please go to columbiatools.com.